Hello, everyone. I'm 18th Storm Track meteorologist Austin Haskins. We are looking at some colder and breezy conditions to get our week started following what was a really nice weekend, though, of course, Sunday was a little bit breezier, but it was also the warmer day of the weekend. Again, chilly and breezy conditions for today. High temperatures 10 to 15 degrees below average, which is in the low 50s now. And wind chills are going to be in the 20s and low 30s today with those breezy north winds. And then we're going to be tracking a couple of shower chances around by the middle of the week. And then by the weekend, we're looking at some warmer conditions returning to western Wisconsin. So we have some cloud cover around and those blustery conditions this morning that will continue as the day goes on. We'll have more sunshine, though, as we get into the back half of the day today, and then clear skies tonight. And with the dry air in place, or that will be moving in, and calm winds and those clear skies, that is a recipe for those temperatures to plummet down into the teens. So kind of a cold start to our Tuesday. We'll warm up a little bit more tomorrow with some mid to higher level clouds moving through. I think future tracks may be overdoing the cloud cover a little bit, but overall tomorrow's going to be a nicer day because winds will be a lot lighter and temperatures will be a little bit warmer as well. Then as we get into Wednesday, we are looking at an area of low pressure that's going to pass far to our south, but there's enough energy and enough moisture that will squeeze out a couple of light rain showers around. There could be a touch of light snow or flurries that mixes in, especially early in the day and into Wednesday evening, but I'm not really overly concerned about it because we're going to be warm enough where this should be mostly all rain. But in those colder spots, especially to the north and to the east, yeah, we could see maybe a light snow shower or two mixing in, or a brief period of some flurries or very light snow, but not really expecting much accumulation in terms of overall precipitation and, of course, in the snowfall department as well. And also, we'll be encountering some drier air still, so we'll have to kind of see how that plays out, which is why I'm only going slight chances for Wednesday and Thursday for that. But today, definitely want to dress a little bit warmer. Highs in the 30s to near 40 degrees, mid-30s in Medford, actually barely getting above freezing in Medford. And again, it'll feel more like the 20s and low 30s. And lows tonight, teens and low 20s. Again, some of the colder spots, especially east of Highway 53, could very well get down into the low teens. 11 in Black River Falls and 12 in Medford is my forecast. And if the conditions are even almost perfect, I wouldn't be surprised if someone dropped into the single digits tonight. But tomorrow, we'll bounce back mid to some upper 40s, low 40s northeast, and then we'll go up a little bit more on Wednesday with upper 40s northeast, but most spots should at least get back into the low to mid 50s, and we'll continue to go up from there. 52 on Thursday, so we'll be about the same. But then by Friday, 58, 65 on Saturday, and we'll be making a run for near 70 by Sunday.